Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can change your region on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video to the end and follow all the steps properly, and here we go. First of all, open up your TikTok on your mobile device. Then just go to your profile home by tapping on your profile button. At the home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, and then select privacy and security settings. Inside the settings, locate privacy tab. Open it and then locate location services. As we want to change our region inside location services, tap on device settings. This will open up the app info tab. Now tap on permission and change your location permission to don't allow. Then just go back to your TikTok and tap on delete location history. And this will help in deleting the previous history records of your profile. And after that, just go to your home page of your device and open device settings. You can either search by word or locate it inside advanced settings. I'm going to search it by word, search region, and open the first search option. Now select the region you would like to have and tap on done. And that's how you can change your region on TikTok. So all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.